Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make homemade vanilla ice cream. Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I am Chef Fred, bringing you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. On this channel, we help you not only learn how to improve your cooking skills, but also review equipment, tools, and strategy. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all of our new uploads. If you are returning, welcome back. Now let's get into today's lesson. We're going to take our heavy whipping cream, our whole milk, sugar, and vanilla, and mix very well for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar is nice and dissolved. I like to do it in my 4-cup Pyrex glass pitcher measure so that it's easy to pour into the ice cream core when it's time. I like this recipe because it is very simple to make, and within 20 minutes you have some nice vanilla ice cream. Now we take our ice cream core, which has been in the freezer for about 24 hours to get nice and hard and cold, and then we're going to turn the mixer on, and as you see here, we're pouring the ice cream mixture into the ice cream maker while it is moving. You want to make sure that it's on and churning before you add the ice cream mixture. Set a timer. We're going to let this go for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you can see it's starting to thicken and it's starting to rise up a little bit, and that's how you tell when it's done. So we're going to turn it off and we're going to put it in our container. Right now it is a soft serve consistency. If you wanted to serve it now, it would be a soft serve, but we're going to put it in the freezer and let it ripen for about 4 or 5 hours. So we're going to take a 2-quart container and we're going to pour the ice cream into the 2-quart container, and we're going to put it in the freezer for 4 or 5 hours so it can get nice and firm and hard, and we will have delicious vanilla ice cream. Now we're going to make a strawberry syrup to go over the ice cream, and you can use any fruit you want. If you wanted to use peaches or blueberries or oranges, whatever fruit you want. I'm using 2 cups of frozen strawberries and 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Now this makes a good bit of syrup because I like to use it on pancakes and waffles and do different stuff with it. If you do not want to make this much, you can just half the recipe. Do 1 cup of frozen berries to a half cup of sugar and a half cup of water. And now we're going to take and put it in our blender, and we're going to blend it up real good, and it's going to make a very nice, smooth, so delicious strawberry syrup. And then after about 4 or 5 hours, I like to serve mine with some chocolate and the strawberry syrup. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.